What if you fail? You haven't started an ATM business yet because you're afraid to be a failure. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? Well, it's going to be different for everybody. A lot of folks, I'd say the majority of folks that come and watch this channel of mine are looking to get out of their 9-to-5 jobs, right? They want their freedom back. They want their time back. They want to be in control of their time, right? And then you got the folks that want to supplement their retirement, or maybe they have been not so great as far as planning retirement goes, and this is the start of the retirement planning. And then you have folks that don't want to keep shelling out hundreds of thousands of dollars or $50,000 and more to get a decent return on their money, and instead would like to put out less capital to make a decent return on their money, okay? Then you have the folks that are looking for legacy wealth, right? Generational wealth, okay? That, for their kids, their grandkids, their great-grandkids. And then you have people that honestly just want more money, okay? And then you have people that want to have passive income and big chunks of cash for reasons I don't even know, right? It's personal to them, right? You might have your own personal reasons. You might check off multiple boxes. I don't know, right? It's going to be different for everybody. But here's the deal. If you'd like me to help you start an ATM business, right, I'm going to help you reach your goal, your ultimate goal, whatever that is. I'm going to help you reach it faster, right? You're going to cut time off of how long it's going to take you to reach that goal with me as a mentor, okay, right? So if you'd like me to help you, I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click the link in the description below. And, of course, before we go anywhere, please give me some thumbs ups. Whoop! Some likes for this video. In that little corner over there, you see a little gray ATM or silver ATM. Please click that. Subscribe to this channel. Select that bell notification and select all. So every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. Okay, so let's get into this. Video here. So, somebody had asked a question like, how do I? What was the question? Like, how do I? I forget exactly how they worded it, but how do I limit my failure, like for the ATM business? I think that's a great question because there are people that probably want to start an ATM business but have not because they're afraid of failure, right? So how do you reduce failure? How do you limit failure? Well, first of all, you know, a lot of that's up here, right? This, right, the thing between your ears, or the thing up here, right, your brain, your heads, that will cause you the most problem with anything you want to do entrepreneurial. Hands down, that's going to cause, it's not money, it's not time, it's not family, it's not friends, right? It's not, it's nothing else. It's not knowing how to do something. It's this up here. Like you will screw you more so than anything else, right? You're gonna mess yourself up with anything else. And that, my friends, is why you need a coach and a mentor, right? It's not the little step-by-step, this is what you do, this is who you call, here's the contracts, here's the forms, right? Anybody can give you that shit. Anybody, right? Somebody who literally just started their ATM business yesterday can give you that shit. You know what I'm saying? They can tell you that step-by-step stuff because they're a day ahead of you, right? They started their business yesterday, right? And believe me, you got some mentors out there who have started a business yesterday and now trying to teach you shit, right? But anyways, that's beside the point. Let me come back on track. But anybody can teach you that stuff. But it's getting you through what happens up here in your head when you stick yourself, right? And you get stuck, right? Because that will happen, right? The entrepreneurial journey, a lot of times is a lonely one, right? And you get into your head and all kinds of shit goes down in your head. And, you can't do all this step-by-step stuff because you're still stuck up here. You're stuck up here. And this is where coach and mentor comes in handy. They help you get out of your own head. They help you get out of your own way and start doing the things that you need to do, right? Not everybody who have started an ATM business can be effective at helping you with that. Okay? Does that make sense? So the first thing is to limit failure is just decide you're not going to fail. I know it sounds so simple. It sounds so simple. But just decide, I'm not failing. I'm going to do whatever it takes to make this business successful. I refuse to fail. And as a matter of fact, take failure and failing out of your vocabulary. Say this business is going to be a success. I'm going to be successful in this business. I'm going to take the steps I need to take to be successful, right? That's one way, that you can go on your journey to be successful in the ATM business. Obviously, if you just, it's like the law of attraction stuff, right? Like I'm going to put a video up here about how you can, be successful in your ATM business by not listening to the law of attraction. I'm going to put that video up here, okay? Right? It's the same deal, right? So just because you're saying, okay, I'm going to be successful in the ATM business, I'm going to be successful. Like you're removing failure, the option of failure from your vocabulary. And you're saying, I'm going to be successful. Just because you're saying that and thinking that doesn't mean that's going to happen, right? You have to what? You got to take actions, right? So you got to take those successful actions all the time, those successful steps all the time, right? Maybe it's a step a day. Maybe it's a step a week. Maybe it's a step a month. I don't even know. It's up to you. But you have to take these positive steps to make your business successful, right? And that's how you limit failure, okay? That's a big way to limit failure, right? Always take positive steps forward to be successful. In your mind, you're like, this business is going to be successful. You have no choice. You're telling your brain, no choice but to be successful in this business. That's it. That is the only option you're giving your brain, your mind, is to be successful, right? Another way to be successful, obviously, is to have a coach or a mentor, okay? We can help you be successful, but we'll give you the list of shit to do, tell you what to do, tell you who to call. Here's your contracts, here's your forms. And I'm not making those things seem little. Okay, they're not little because they're a big deal, right? They're important because a lot of us, have fear, right? I'm gonna make a video about fear too, right? Because it's not really fear, but anxiety. That's what it is, right? Anxiety about not knowing what to do, right? So the step by steps makes us feel better inside. Okay, but the big thing the mentor helps you with is not only that stuff, which I know is really important to you, but it's the mind stuff, right? You're gonna get in your own way. You're gonna screw yourself up. There's gonna be something, right? Okay. So this is me pretending I'm you, and you have this major problem in the ATM business, right? And so here it is. I'll be like, I can't see your face clearly, Carey. I can't see your face clearly. Like there's like this silver thing. Like I don't know why I can't see you clearly. Like there's something wrong. Let's move the scissors out of the way. Right? It's something like, it'll be so simple for me to see that the reason you can't see my face clearly is because there's scissors in front of your face, right? So I can tell you, hey, remove those scissors. But for the life of you, you can't figure out that you can't see me clearly because there's scissors in front of your face. You get what I'm saying? And this is a simple example, but stuff like that is going to happen all the time in your ATM business. All the time, right? On this journey, on your entrepreneurial journey, even if it's not even an ATM business, whatever your entrepreneurial journey is, there's going to be scenarios like this all the time where you can't figure it out. You're like, what? I don't understand why I can't see. Why can't you see? Do you know what I mean? But I'll be able to see it like that, right? It's like when you're in the picture, so you can't see it, but somebody outside, like me, who's been teaching people and coaching people and mentoring people for over 11 years now, right? I can see it. Okay, I can see it. Not only can I see it because I can see it, but I can see it because I've helped people just like you for a really long time. You guys all have the same issues, right? That I've never had anybody come to me with an issue recently that I've never heard before. I just haven't. Okay, so that's how you can limit failure, right? First of all, you're going to decide that that's not an option. It's not even an option, right? You're not even going to say failure is not an option because you're not even. Failure is now officially removed from your vocabulary as of 2022 on. Okay, it's only success. You're only going to be successful, right? Your mind will believe whatever you tell it. Okay, whatever you put in here, it believes it, right? You put bad in here, it believes bad. You put good in here, it believes good. Okay? You get what I'm saying? Right? Whatever you feed into it, that's what it's going to go with. So always feed your mind with positivity. Positive things for you, your health, your wealth, your relationships, your business, everything. Okay? So that's number one. Your failure is out of the equation. You don't even know. You know what? You have to go to dictionary.com because you don't even know what that word means anymore. Okay? So that's number one. Get that out of there. And number two is you're going to start saying, hey, I'm going to be successful in this business. I am deciding that this business is going to be successful. And now you're going to take the necessary steps that you need to take every day, every week, every month, whatever time frame works for you to be successful in this business. Okay. Number three is you're going to get a mentor or a coach to help you. Okay. And I know some of you will be like, I don't need one. Okay, fine. Don't get one. Okay. But if shit don't start going right, this shit starts going to the shitter, right? Don't come looking at me because I told you so, right? Can you do this business without a mentor or a coach? Of course. Anybody can start an ATM business by themselves. Anybody. Are you going to be successful or not? Some people might. Most people probably won't. Okay? Because of what I told you up here. We get into our own heads. Right? We screw ourselves. If we didn't screw ourselves so much, we could all probably be walking on Mars or something. I'm just making shit up. But you get what I'm saying. We screw ourselves up so much. We get in our own head. We believe our own bullshit so much, right? And that's what a coach and a mentor will help you with, okay? So those are three things that'll help you limit failure. And I don't even want to say limit failure. We're going to say it will help you eliminate failure because failure is not an option for you any longer, all right? Hopefully that makes sense. If you got any questions, obviously you can post below your questions. You also can post below if you have any ideas for future videos. All right. A lot of these videos that I make are because you guys ask me questions. Like this was a question from someone just like you. Okay. All right. So listen, here's what I need you to do for me. Do me a favor. Do me a solid. Okay. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some likes. Click that ATM, that little silver ATM in the corner. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification. Select also every time I post a video, you are first to know about it. All right. And last but not least, have an amazing freaking day. All right. And if you would like me to help you start an ATM, I'm gonna cut the time frame down that it takes you to reach your ultimate goal. Right. If you'd like me to help you do that, I invite you to click the link in the description below, enter your email. You can watch the training video. Right? There's a training video on the next page. It's like 28 minutes long or something. And then book a call with my team. Okay. Together, you guys will figure out if you and I will be a fit to work together because I am not everybody's cup of tea. And I am aware of that. And that's okay, right? Because if you like, to be, talk to all nice and sweet all the time and have shit sugar-coated, that ain't me. I am not your girl. I'm going to tell you like it is. I'm gonna be nice to you unless you need a little bit of tough love, right? And everything I do for you is because I love you. It's coming from a place of love, right? But this is who I am, right? I'm gonna tell it like it is, right? I want you to get shit done. You got a goal. I want you to reach it. So I'm not gonna bullshit you to make you feel better. I'm gonna tell you what needs to be done for you to accomplish your goal. Make sense? All right, cool. Listen, Carey Buck here. I'm signing off. You have a great day. I will talk to you soon. And may you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always